If you are new to this channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. Hello all, welcome to your channel Wealth and More. In this video, we will talk about Amara Raja battery stock. Stock has fallen 5% today and it has given closing on 726 rupees. What we should do in this stock? It was trading around 1000 level couple of months back. Now it has almost given 35% of correction. So as an investor, what we should do, we will do fundamental analysis of this stock, and also we'll talk about the levels on which this stock will take support and our next strategy as an investor for this stock. Okay, so let's begin with the chart which is open on the zero the right now. If you see, this stock has been moving up from couple of trading sessions, but since today it has given the 5% of fall, then from this level it has fallen down to 726 level. So I believe that it should take support around this 712, which is I think shown support couple of times here. I would not say it is a very strong support, but this line should act as a support and it should take support on this 712 level. But I feel that this is now weak because RSI is also around 40, so it should go down further and it should retest this level of 660 level. And if you are planning to buy this stock, I think you should wait and accumulate this stock around 690 to 660 in this range. And the reason for fall, we'll just check what was the reason for fall. So a couple of days back, Motilal Oswal has given estimate for Amara Raja share that they are going to report loss of 27.2 year on year. Okay, so they have estimated, this is not an actual result, they are just estimating their earning based on the various factors of the market which they have given in this PDF. If you click on this read more, you can open this new PDF here. In this PDF they have given why they are thinking that the profit might decline by 27%, which is I think a good amount of decline in the profit. Even though quarter by quarter basis, yearly company is still making good profit, but on quarterly basis, if the profit is reported less, then I think share price is already seeing this hit and it is going down. So because of this news, I think market is foresighting that stock may produce the negative results, and it is factoring that news by pushing the stock down. Okay, but I think it should make some bottom around this 712 level which I just spoke, and you can average it if it furthers down below 690 to 660 in this range. On screener.in now we can see the Amara Raja batteries, what they do as a business. So Amara Raja is a flagship company of Amara Raja Group. So it's a Amara Raja Group company, ARBL, and they are technology leader and one of the largest manufacturer lead acid batteries both for industrial and automotive application. So this is very much important. They are one of the largest acid battery manufacturer for industrial and automotive applications. ARBL has their own equipment manufacturer as its client. The company has been exporting these batteries around 32 countries, which is a very huge number. 32 countries they are exporting their batteries, and they are also preferred supplier for telecom service provider, one of the largest service provider I would say, and also telecom equipment manufacturer, UPS sector, OEM and replacement. So they are not only targeting an individual client, but they are also into this major corporate client and corporate lot of big companies like major telecom, which is telecom business itself is a big business, and to them they are providing these batteries. So I think they have a good set of network install and relationship install. So they have this clients in this telecom, which is a big sector, and also they have clients among the power and oil gas, which is again a big industry in terms of the requirement and in terms of business as a business. Okay, and now if you see here, they are a dominant player. Now here if you see in key points, they are dominant player in UPS tower segment and solar energy tower. We just saw that one. And they are gaining market share in truck, railways, defense and internal storage. And company has expanded its capacity of manufacturing by producing new facility in the Chittor facility. They have expanded their business from into this two-wheeler and four-wheeler from 2.5 million to 12 millions, which is again a huge number. And if you see, as a business wise, company is into this battery manufacturing business, and I feel that the business is pretty much well settled in terms of their clientele and also the figures that we see on the screen. If you see the key stat of the stock, it is a mid cap company which is trading around 760. This is the yesterday's price. Now this should be 726. So Srinath dot will update this price tomorrow. Stock is 18.3, which is again will be reduced by tomorrow, because since this current price will be less for tomorrow. Book value is 246 and stock is almost trading at like 3 times to 4 times to book value. That is fine. But ROE and ROC both are excellent. If you see, they are around 21.6 and 16.2. On max chart, if you see here, the company was trading around 1000 level even before corona here, and in corona it made low of around 400 level, and from 400 it again went back to 1000. Now from 1000 it retraced back to this 700 level, I would say, roughly. And from here it is like it was taking trade support at 800 level for many days, but one of the biggest deal happened on the stack sell. If you see here, it has created this big volume here, where stock has opened gap down, and because of that it has caused this fall of the stock from around 800 level to almost it went back to 733 level. Okay. And now if you see like what we have to do in this stock, since we will also check the fundamentals here. Okay, so stock is trading at a PE of 18.34, which I mentioned that it is going to change since again the price is reduced here. The quarterly basis, if you see here, June quarter they have reported profit of 167, which is, I'll just make this bigger, 167, which is less compared to the March 2021. But the previous year, June 2020, they had made only profit of 84, which got double almost in this next financial year. On quarter to quarter basis, there is slight change in this profit because of the margins, and also there has been news around the stock of some of their factories has been closed for a while because of certain environmental issues raised by the environmental department. And if you see the sales of the company, has been increased. In March 2010 they were making sales of 1464. Now the sale has been increased to 7000. Almost the sale is jumped to almost 7 times of his 10 years back what company was doing as a sale. Profit also, it was making 167 crore, now it is making 647. Almost profit is also 6 times more than what it was reporting in like previous 2010. But 2020, if you see, it is slightly reduced. Consistently company is making profit, and it is also good thing. EPS is also around like 37.87 here in this year 2021. So I would say these are the excellent figures, and there is also no debt on company because assets and liabilities are equal. So company has assets of around 5,797, which is again equal to their total liabilities. So I would say this is a debt-free company. Here in shareholding patterns, one thing I would like to highlight that promoter has reduced the stake in 2020 from 52 to like 28% here in June 2009, and this is not a good sign. Like they have not reduced the stake further from 2019. It was almost 2 years back they almost sold a lot of their holdings, and FI holding is around 2.82, which is a very good thing, and DI is like 14.52. So here if you see around 75% of holding is into the strong hands, and 36% holding is with the public. Okay, so this creates the panic whenever the share falls down and whenever there is news flow. Because of this high volume of share with the retail investor, it is going to fall down. But since I see that company is into a very good business, and I feel that this company can do very good in the future, and I myself planning to buy this stock around 700. I didn't buy in the last fall because I was not sure whether the factory restrict or whatever the factory restriction has been put by government, whether that will be restricted or not. It doesn't matter in the long term because they have raised a serious concern, and it has been happened 2 or 3 times. So I was hoping that let that news come and let that factory production start, then I will rethink of investing in this stock. But since I think that news is not there anymore, and since stock has fallen because of the expectation set before the result, so I think it is good time to buy this stock around 712 and 660 level. You have to do your own analysis before buying this stock. This is not a sell or buy recommendation. Please consult your advisor before taking any position. If you like this video, please do subscribe this channel and share with your friends. Thank you all. Thank you.